The easiest, quickest, and most flexible way to create a stunning website is by using a WordPress theme. The file dictates how everything will look, from layout, color and typography, to images and video elements, and gives you tons of ways to customize the theme to fit your brand. Here is our countdown for the 10 best WordPress themes for 2020. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Number 10. Arvo, a clever and flexible multi-purpose WordPress theme by G5 Theme. Arvo is an excellent, all-purpose WordPress theme, fit to burst with layout designs and theme options. Best of all, it features an accessible drag-and-drop content builder that lets you create gorgeous sites in a hot minute. Sleek, professional, and well-organized, the clean lines and versatility of this WordPress theme make it a perfect fit for your portfolio or company website. Number 9. Morello, multi-purpose business WordPress theme by Thomas Rodas. Morello is an infinitely customizable WordPress theme that lets your creativity run wild. Designed from the bottom up for artists, photographers, digital studios, and creatives of all stripes. Morello gives you the tools to create a unique website that showcases your content in the dewy, golden hour radius that it deserves. Number 8. Breha by Ridinure. Clean, simple, elegant. Breha cuts through the noise with a modern, minimalist one-page WordPress theme aimed at designers, creative agencies, and freelancers seeking to showcase a streamlined offering against a multimedia background, including slider and YouTube backgrounds. Number 7. Pasadena, contemporary portfolio WordPress theme by FastWP. If you're looking for a perfectly responsive cross-browser compatible WordPress theme that places the mobile experience front and center, you can't go wrong with Pasadena. With an understated tiled grid and hundreds of Retina-ready icons at your disposal, you're sure to find what you need in this tidy package. Number 6. Marcel, personal blog and magazine WordPress theme by ThemeREX. Marcel is a minimal WordPress theme designed to tell big stories. If you're a policy wonk, fashion blogger, or travel junkie with a tale to tell, Marcel provides a trim and sophisticated backdrop for the message you want to convey. One enticing aspect of this theme is Marcel's seamless integration with essential WordPress plugins such as Instagram Feed, MailChimp, Elementor, and Essential Grid. If you're finding this roundup useful, give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to access more content aimed at creatives like you. Don't forget to turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest videos. Number 5. Travessia by Axiom Themes. Travessia is Spanish for journey or crossing, and this colorful and vibrant WordPress theme is all about sparking that itch to travel, the lust for adventure. And that's why Travessia is simply perfect for travel agencies, tour operators, tourism bureaus, and tour guides. Alongside its responsiveness, SEO optimization, and refined, stylish design, Travessia is also fully compatible with the highly praised travel agency WordPress plugin for managing tours and bookings. Number 4. Beji, responsive WooCommerce WordPress theme by Plaza Themes. Running an online store is all about catching the eye and holding on for dear life until the deal is done. This is where Beji comes into its own. Punchy, bright colors, and a laundry list of retail-ready features, including transition banners, daily deals with visual timers, and customer testimonial pages, make Beji the obvious choice for your online store. The cherry on top? Beji's marvelous integration with popular e-commerce plugin, WooCommerce. Number 3. Bonfire, creative multi-purpose WordPress theme by Arrow High Tech. Bonfire comes integrated with just about every essential WordPress plugin under the stars. Visual Composer will have you dragging and dropping your way to stunning layouts with no programming knowledge required, while Slider Revolution lets you create graceful, dynamic animations in a matter of minutes. Classy, versatile, and with more layout and homepage options than you can shake a stick at. Bonfire represents a formidable choice for your WordPress site. Number 2. The fashion model agency One Page Beauty WP Theme by Themeton. You won't find a hair out of place when it comes to the fashion. A delicately arranged, immediately striking, one-page theme cut and tailored for fashion houses, modeling agencies, and associated industries. Powerful, attractive, and optimized to the hilt. The fashion is the ideal theme for those involved in sectors that truly live or die by first impressions. Number 1. Barber, Hair, Tattoo, and Beauty Salons WP Theme by Arrow High Tech. Sharper than a pair of Sassoon scissors, this pixel-perfect, effortlessly modular WordPress theme is aimed squarely at haircut, spa, tattoo, and beauty sectors. Give your receptionist a well-earned break by handling inquiries and appointments with Barber's intuitive bookings calendar. And with more than 10 unique homepages for salons and spas of every type, you won't ever need to worry about breaking a nail just to get your site up and running. There you have it, the 10 best WordPress themes for 2020. Which one did you like the most? Leave us a comment with your favorite and tell us about the project you're planning below. If you enjoyed our video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more roundups like this one. Stick around to watch more content from Envato by clicking the thumbnail on the right of your screen now.